Hello students, today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic of triggers. In this lecture I will discuss what the trigger is and how to write a trigger in a SQL, means their syntax, and then I will discuss the utility of a trigger. So first of all, trigger is a kind of a procedure that automatically invokes whenever a special event occurs in a database. For example, if I insert a new tuple in the table, then a trigger can be invoked. Whenever I delete a tuple, then a trigger can be invoked. Okay. So, what is the let's discuss the syntax of a trigger. So, to create a trigger, first we will write create trigger, then a space trigger name. Then we have to mention whether we want to create to call a trigger before occurring a special event or after occurring a specified event. Okay, so we need to choose uh, one of the option before or or after. Okay, either we will use before or we will choose after. Okay. The next we need to choose operation. We all know three type of operation can be performed in a table manipulation. Three type of manipulation can be done in a relational table. One is the insert, second is the update, third one is the delete. So we need to choose one of them. Whether we want to perform, we want to call a trigger on insert a tuple or on a deletion of a tuple or on an updation of a tuple. So we need to choose one of the option here. Then we will write on. Then after on, we will write the table name over which we are performing manipulation operation. And then next, we need to choose whether we want to call a trigger for each row or not. We want to call a trigger for each row, then we will write for each row. Okay, let's say if I perform updation in a table, and if every row get affected, then the trigger will be called for each row, each affected row. Okay, and then after that I will write the trigger body. Okay, so let's see the example for a trigger example. Okay, here I have a database in which student marks are recorded. Okay, so whenever we enter the marks of different subjects of a student, then we want to automatically insert their average and the percentage. Okay. So here task is to automatically insert the average and the percentage. Okay, because we manually inserting the values of sorry, marks of different subjects, but we want to automatically insert the marks, the average and the percentage of a student. So this is our database table, relational table, in which the different subjects, the different fields correspond to different subjects are there. Okay, and the last the total and the percentage, two different fields also there. Two different fields, total and the percentage is also there. Okay, so here I have created a trigger. To create a trigger, I have written here the create trigger, the space trigger name, the student marks. Here I have chosen the insert. Before we have chosen before insert because I want to perform, I want to call a trigger before insertion. Okay, before insertion I am calling a trigger here. Okay, and operation which I have chosen is insert, because I want to call a trigger on insertion of a tuple. Okay, so that's why I have chosen here insert. So before insert on table student, okay, here I want to perform, I want to call a trigger for each affected row. That is why I have written here for each row. Okay. So in this trigger, in this trigger, in this trigger, uh, I have written a code that set the student dot total equal student dot subject 1 plus student dot subject 2 plus student dot subject 3. Here subject 1, subject 2 and subject 3 are the different attributes of the relation student. So here student dot total will be equal to the student dot subject 1 plus student dot subject 2 and the student dot subject 3. Similarly, the student dot percentage will be calculated. Here the student dot percentage equal to student dot total into 60 by 100. So whenever I perform insertion on a table student, whenever I insert a tuple in the table student, then the trigger will be called and the total and the percentage will be automatically calculated and will insert into a tuple of this relation student. So as you can see, I have inserted values, the student name and their subject marks. So you can see here the total and the percentage is automatically calculated and inserted into the tuple of a table student. So this is how we use a trigger for any particular for any particular task in a database. So that's all for the today's session. In next lecture, I will discuss some other utilities of the trigger. Thank you.